Hello everyone, I'm here with Travis Conrad. He is the rep for Neolith, and they've got some very exciting things happening in 2020. But first, before we get into that, we want to talk about what is Neolith. A lot of people call it a porcelain product, a lot of people call it quartz and composite, and it's really neither of those. Travis, can you explain what makes Neolith different than other solid surface countertops?
Sure, so Neolith is a sintered stone. What it is, the best to understand it, is kind of an extreme evolution of what you think of what porcelain would be. The important word in that is sintering. Sintering is a proprietary technology in which we take minerals and over pressure and time, we compress them in order to fire them into slabs.
Got it. Now, when I saw this on display one time, what I was impressed about it, they took a torch to the countertop, and they also showed us how they can use it as a chopping block, and the blades actually got dull after that. So that's pretty impressive. Talking about
you can
just
even go back and resharpen your knife on the countertop.
Yeah, and that's amazing because it's such a strong product. It's going to be durable. You don't have to worry about things chipping on it. And you know, with the quartz composite, again, it's a composite, and that's what's different about this. It can withstand the heat. You can take the pot off the stove and stick it on the countertop.
Correct, exactly. The issue there with quartz surfacing products is that they have resins in them. And resins have issues with color discoloration in sunlight, with hot surfaces, things of that nature.
Not only do they have interior applications for this, for the countertops, shower systems, but what intrigued me as a designer and builder, this can be used on the outside of a house as a rain screen system.
Absolutely, and more than just that, it can be glazed into curtain wall systems, window systems, modified thin set as tile. But in particular, what we'd like to highlight is our ventilated rain screens, and particularly the offerings that we have. We have 3 systems here that we're looking at. The first are your HC and your VM system, which stand for hidden chemical and visible mechanical. These are, I call, kind of the IKEA of systems. You buy the bits and pieces, really great for home builders, really great for small commercial developers, because you don't have to have this big pre-panelized application. You can buy the bits and pieces, fabricate it on site, lick them and stick them, as I like to say, or mount them on the wall, and it's really easy and it's a really inexpensive way to get a really nice look.
And what's nice about a ventilated rain screen system for our audience is it allows the water, if it gets in, to dry out pretty quickly, and this keeps the building material off of the building envelope and allows it to dry off. Now, I know a lot of the other products have issues with the sun and whatnot, and from what I understand, that your product actually can withstand UV rays.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So being a 100% mineral-based product, people like myself with design backgrounds, we know that all colors are derived of minerals. So if you have the mineral cobalt, which is blue, it will be blue forever. It's never going to fade or discolor over time, and that's same to be true with Neolith. And that comes with a 25-year warranty stating that you're not going to see 1 ounce of change in color and tone for that entire life of the product.
Well, that's pretty amazing. 'Cause a lot of these dyes and stuff that they add to the other products, within a few years, sun hits it, and then you go to the other side where the sun isn't hitting, it's a different color. So it's nice to have a product that can withstand the sun and be consistent in its durability for, what, 50, 75, 100 years?
Exactly, and on top of that, you've got other products that are porous, that are going to stain and weather over time from things getting into the product. Being a non-porous product, that's a non-issue as well too.
So really there's nothing else like this on the market. You guys are the only ones that can truly make that claim that it is porous, it is mineral based, and you don't have those chemicals in there.
No, and coincidentally, that's my background. I've worked with it all. Metals, phenolics, cementitious panels. This is the only product that can make those claims because of its density, because of its mineral content.
Hey, that's pretty amazing. Let's take a look inside the booth.
Sure.
So can you explain to us a little bit how this veining works and why it's so exciting?
Well, I'd like to give you a bit of background to explain why that is so exciting. There is limitations when working with a product like ours without the veining going all the way through. This is something that's been in the works for us for 7 years now. It's been a lot of innovation, a lot of technological change, and what we've been able to do is right here in front of us. This is the first prototype that we've been able to create, and the great news is come third quarter 2020, this will be able to be available to the public.
And what's exciting about this is for that person that is the purist, they want it to look like all natural product. When the veining goes all the way through, when you do that cut, you can see the different coloration and how it changes with the surface of the top. So this is very exciting, especially for people looking for that thin slab and not having to do the waterfall edge.
Correct, yeah, exactly.
Thanks for watching this video. For more information on topics like this, we invite you to search for other products, services, companies, and people on the Rate It Green directory. Unlike other websites, searching is free, listening is free, becoming a member is free, and listing your green products is free. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And for more information on this product and other products like it, we've got a link in the description. We've loaded up some more videos just like this in a playlist off to the right. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.